Hello, my beautiful friends. I hope you are well. Today, in this video, I will show you a beautiful long coat. This coat is very beautiful, amazing design with feather touch. I hope you like this video. This coat is Croatian wool thread and feather touch. It's very amazing and unique designing and colorful. Some coats are very simple and some is very unique and colorful and hot. I hope you like this coat video. If you like my video, please share your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel, and please give me the comments. Your comment is very important for me. Your comment is giving to ideas and support me. Some my friends is appreciate my work, so thank you my friends, your good comments and appreciation. Thank you very much. Bye, take care.